Hi, this is Alex again, and this is a video about my Tatung bottom-mounted spinner. I got this at the Habitat Restore 2 days ago, along with this fan, and I think this fan's pretty cool in my opinion. And by the way, the globe on that fan's not original to the fan, because it was missing the globe when I first got it. And I'll show you how I found out it was made by Tatung. It was labeled, hold on, it's labeled Tatung on the pull chain. See it? Tatung. I like it a lot better than my other bottom-mounted spinner. And it's more retro looking too. Here's the light. Now the fan. I'm going to start out off at low speed. Yep, it may seem quiet at low speed, but once you get to medium and high speed, it starts getting loud. Here's the second speed. See, it's starting to get noisy. Starting to pick up speed. Now I'm going to put it to high speed. Wow, that is loud. Very loud. It puts out a good deal of air too. Okay, I hope you enjoy. Thank you.